What's up guys, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel because it would mean the world to me. We're almost at 1,000, you guys. So I would really love it if you guys could please subscribe, and that way you guys know when a video goes live. Make sure the notification bell is turned on as well. This one was requested a lot when I did a poll on Instagram stories. So this is going to be like a mom get ready with me, and Ryan is currently napping. If he wakes up, it would only be fitting for this video, but this is kind of like my everyday routine and something that I do quickly. Other days, you know, I might have more time and do more of an elaborate look, like for a date night or something. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know down below. But yeah, let's get right to it. To start, I'm going to be mixing two products. This is the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation. I am in the shade medium neutral, but I might have to go into the light medium neutral now that the winter months are coming. But yeah, this is a great foundation. It has so many different benefits. Sometimes when I forget to do the moisturizing in the beginning, this actually has Babassu in it, so it's going to moisturize my skin as well. I love this so much. I love the applicator. I love it's got an easy twist up, so I don't have to worry about it spilling in my diaper bag. And then recently I've been pairing it with the MAC strobe cream, and I love this. It kind of gives me just like a nice dewy glow. So yeah, I'm gonna add a pump of this and a pump of this to the back of my hand, mix it around, and then just buff it into my skin. And I'm using the MAC 170 brush. This is great for buffing into my skin. It's got really dense bristles. I also want to note that there are plenty of times where I've just used my fingertips with both of those products. They're great if you're really in a hurry, easy to apply with your fingertips as well. Next, I do my brows, and I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay waterproof brow pencil. And also, I've talked about this before, but there are plenty of times that I actually sleep in my brows. So I'll take off my foundation and I'll take off my makeup and everything, but like a day like today, I actually slept in my brows. I'm gonna be completely honest. So they're not too bad right now. I just have some filling in to do, but yeah. For some reason, some people might find that gross, but for just my brows, I don't really think it's a big deal. And because this is waterproof, when I wash my face, if I don't like scrub my brows, this stays on, so it's great. Next, I take the MAC shaping powder, and this is in the shade Light Sweep AC5. I just take my brush, this is the MAC 150S, and I'm just kind of going to carve out my cheekbones. And this is like a subtle contour, so if I was going out for a date night, it would probably be a little bit more intense. But I also just like this because it's kind of like a setting powder. Do up here on my forehead. But it's not too intense. And you could see that strobe cream coming through. I'm obsessed with it. Next, from Tarte, I'm taking the Tartelette in Bloom palette. This is one of my all-time favorite palettes. Obviously, I used to work for Tarte, so I have a lot of Tarte stuff, but this has always been one of my favorites. So I'm gonna take the shade Charmer right here, and I'm just going to like matte out my eyelids because I have some veiny eyelids and some discoloration, and I'm just gonna keep this looking natural. So I'm just applying this all over my lid. Also, because I put some of the foundation on my eyelid, so I just want to matte that out because it's a little bit of a dewy look on my eye right now. So for my everyday look, I only really put shadow in the crease and all over the lid like you just saw. So I'm just taking the shade Sweetheart right here. This is another one of my favorites. This is my favorite transition shade, and I'm taking the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just going to apply to my crease. And I'm just kind of sweeping this. As you can see, this is super basic, but this is again what I do like everyday glam. And then I'm gonna take the shade Rebel right here, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line, and just very, very lightly. just applied some Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. And then for my lips, I'm using this Nude Stick lip glaze. I love this. This is a shade Nude 02, and I've been loving this gloss lately. It has a minty flavor. It tingles my lips, and it kind of reminds me of like a thin mint. It's almost like a chocolate mint. I don't know, but I'm obsessed with it. Again, this is the shade Nude 02, and I love it. It's got that like mauve undertone, which I of course love. If anyone knows me, you know I love mauve lips. So yeah, this is my current fave. The final look. Again, this was super easy, really quick. This is for the days when I'm just kind of running out the door. Certainly there are days when I have zero makeup on at all, but yeah, this is kind of like my everyday go-to look. Ryan is still sleeping. Fingers crossed I'll get through editing this entire video and posting it before he wakes up, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you know when a video goes live. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!